Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on our Coinbase homepage, and then from here we're going to scroll down until we see the Bitcoin logo. From here you're going to select on it, and it's going to be in your balance of course. So we're going to click on transfer, and then we're going to click on send to a crypto address, email or phone number. Then from here, we're going to select whichever cryptocurrency or wallet address that we want to send to, and it's going to showcase whatever options that we might have left. Simply paste it from your clipboard, and then it will show on to the next. Once you do that, it will ask you to select whatever network you might to send to. So we have Bitcoin, Solana, Base, and every other option. Simply click on the Bitcoin, which is going to be the default, and then you can select however much amount that you might want to send. And then after that, you're going to click on preview, and then you're going to showcase that you're sending it either to yourself or to someone else. And then from there, it's going to just confirm for you the amount, and you can simply click on continue and it will send it directly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.